my lovely guys, welcome to Daily Job Test channel. If you are a first time viewer to my channel, please subscribe and watch this video till completely end the guys. Today in this video, I'm going to cover about AWS, Azure, DevOps as well as cloud job openings mainly for the fresher guys. If you are a fresher candidate who wanted to switch your career or who wanted to start your career in the field of DevOps, AWS, Azure, please watch this video completely guys. Okay, here this video is going to be a game changer for you. I'm telling you, this video is going to be a game changer for you if you get this job openings. I'm telling you. Okay, now without wasting much time, let's get into the first job opening. The first job opening is from the company called W Poets. The company name itself is a W Poets, so don't get confused by looking at this company. Okay, now we'll directly look at the position what they are hiring for. Here they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. As you can see clearly, the position is DevOps engineer. And they have mentioned here that salary ranges from 3.6 LPA to 6 LPA per annum. This is mainly for the fresher. That's why they have clearly mentioned the salary ranges from 3.6 LPA to the 6 LPA per annum. Okay. Brief here they have mentioned what you are going to do and what should the requirements you should have. Here, let's read this: experience or knowledge of setup. This sentence plays very important role. Okay. Remember this: experience or knowledge of setup and configuration of Nginx, PHP, MariaDB, Redis. Okay, they are clearly mentioned. If you are having experience, it may be internship experience or real-time experience or hands-on project experiment, that is fine. Or if you don't have experience, okay, knowledge, if you have just knowledge of setuping and configuration the Nginx, or it may be the PHP, or it may be the MariaDB, or it may be the Redis. If you know at least how to configure Nginx also, you can easily apply to this job. Okay, and if you know just how to configure PHP, or if you know how to configure Maria or Redis, it's fine. Okay, should be familiar with the deployment process and monitoring of PHP applications. You should be very familiar with how to deploy the PHP applications. Okay, advanced knowledge of monitor system and performance and utilization testing. You should able to monitor the system. Okay, and you should be able to monitor the performance of the system also. Knowledge of database administration, that is they are clearly mentioned MySQL or Redis. See, you should have knowledge. Okay, they haven't asked for real-time hands-on experience knowledge, they have asked knowledge. You should have knowledge. Okay, MySQL or Redis. Knowledge of cloud platform, clearly mentioned AWS, not for the Azure candidates. Okay, remember this. Knowledge of Git, ELK stack, Logstash, Elasticsearch, Kibana. They have clearly mentioned you should have knowledge of Git as well as ELK stack. Technical writing skills. You should know how to you should know the technologies. Okay, writing the technologies. Experience on open source monitoring tools, Zabbix or Nagios. You should have, okay, hands-on experience monitoring tools, Zabbix or Nagios. You can easily, if you don't know, please learn. You can learn these both tools in single day. Okay, understand the security aspects of applications and can successfully implement OWSSP compliant system. See, this is just application security tool. Okay, you need to know about this. Okay, monitor site stability and performance and troubleshoot site issues. You should be ready to troubleshoot the issues. Okay, next, what they are going to offer for you: flexible working process. Okay, openness to suggestion and fresh point of view. You can give your ideas. Okay, room for self improvement and knowledge of exchange within the teams. Close cooperations. These are just normal points. Okay, how you need to apply for this job is just click on this apply now section. Okay, here as you can see, the application is open till now. Okay, you need to fill your all the documents here. You need to upload your resume also. So you need to go to the next time, complete the form. Okay, this was the first job opening for you. Now let's get to the second one. The second one is from the company called Zelis. Okay, the company name itself is Zelis. They are mainly hiring for the position of AWS Cloud Engineer. Okay, here as you can see, they are mainly hiring for, this is a full-time opportunity, and this, as you can see, they have posted this job opportunity just 6 days ago. Okay, so let's get the job location position is Hyderabad. Clearly mentioned the job location is from the Hyderabad. Okay, here they haven't mentioned anything about the requirements, roles, about the experiment. But why I have bought for this job opportunity for you is, I will tell you, I have verified this job opening. This is mainly for the 0 to 3 years of candidates. Okay, mainly for 0 to 3 years of candidate. So if you are a fresher or having 1 to 3 years of experience, until only 3, okay, that too mainly if you are having experience on Linux administration, and as well as scripting is mandatory, database is mandatory, as well as AWS cloud is mandatory, and DevOps tools. If you know all these 5 or 6 tools, just apply. Okay, I have confirmed this job opportunity from this my personal resources, and I'm showing you this. Okay, so please apply to this also. This is mainly for the AWS cloud engineer. Just click on this. As you can see, this is just it's still open. Okay, autofill with resume or anything you can just check out, and you need to fill the form. Okay, so this was the second job opening which I wanted to show you for the today's case. Okay, now let's get to the third one. Here, the third one, there is a person called Usha. Okay, her there is on HR. Okay, she's mainly from the company called Agans Software Private Limited. Okay, she is mainly hiring for the positions of React Native developer. Leave about all this. Just directly get into the DevOps. That too mainly she is hiring for the AWS DevOps. Okay, salary ranges from 3 LPA to 4.8 LPA. Look at this. 3 LPA to 4.8 LPA. Number of vacancies is 4. Okay, there are total 4 vacancies in their company, and the salary she has mainly hiring for the freshers. So she has mentioned the salary range from 3 to 4.8 LPA, and this is also mainly for the location of Hyderabad. Okay, experience is fresher or minimum 1 year of experience. See, if you are a fresher or if you are having at least 1 year of experience in the AWS domain or in the DevOps domain, please you send your resume at usha@agans.in. Okay, and moreover, she has clearly mentioned immediate joining. Immediate joining is very important. Okay, so this both previous job both are Hyderabad locations. Have a note down this point. Okay, where you need to send is just mail her. Okay, so this was the third job opening for you guys. Now let's get into the fourth one. Okay, the fourth one is from the company called Skit AI. This is a startup company. Don't get confused with the company's name. Okay, these are our company's name. You might be hearing for the first time. Okay, don't worry about this. Now, this company, the Skit AI company, is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps support engineer. Okay, and moreover, this position is for the location of Bengaluru, Karnataka, and you can see this is full-time job opportunity, not an internship or anything. Okay, here they have mentioned about the responsibilities and everything. Please read yourself. I'm going to read about the just experience part of the section. Okay, experience is 1 year of oral experience. Clearly read this point. 1 year of overall work experience. If you have just 1 year of experience, okay, it may mean any domain. Okay, or if you are having at least experience in internship experience in AWS, DevOps, or in the cloud Azure, it may be fine, not a problem. Okay, at least 1 year or 10 months of experience, fine. 1+ of years hands-on experience on in managing infrastructure. In that 1 year, you should, if you are having just 1 year of experience, that mainly in the managing infrastructure, that is very good. Okay, proven ability to handle incidents and escalations of complex technical issues by communicating status updates along with the RCA to the customer. See, you should able to handle the incidents. That is very important, and you should able to resolve the queries. That is very important. But let's directly get into the qualification and technical section. Bachelor degree in engineering or similar. Degree is very mandatory. Okay, in every field, degrees now they are compulsory asking having certified Kubernetes administration. Certificate is they are asking for the fresher only. They are asking the certified Kubernetes administrator certification. Look at this. Having AWS cloud certified architect is plus, and having RHC, okay, certification is plus. For this fresher, this is too heavy. They are asking highly. They are mainly looking for highly skilled fresher guys. I'm telling you. So be prepared for this. Technical, what they're asking is AWS cloud. They are asking, and one more. What they are asking is Docker, Kubernetes, as well as they are mainly looking for the very good at Linux or Unix environment. Okay, and experience with configuration management systems like Terraform, Ansible, etc. You should know about the configuration management like Terraform and Ansible. And monitoring tools, what they have mentioned is it may be the Prometheus, it may be the Loki, it may be the Grafana. And databases is PostgreSQL. You should know about the PostgreSQL. So these are the things which they have mentioned. Okay, and here they have mentioned about the hiring process, everything, and what you need to mention your resume, everything they have mentioned. Okay, so please read this. You can just click on this apply now section. Okay, you can see your name, everything, and you need to upload your resume and just click on the submit application. Okay, So this is how you can apply it to this Java resume. Now, now one more important thing is, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, I need to reach the 2K as early as possible, guys. Please, I'm requesting everyone. And if you want all this job opening links, means please, this is my Instagram handle, Vishwa Karkalle. Okay, you just need send an invitation. Okay, and what you need to message is, while sending invitation only, you can just message AWS DevOps Fresher Jobs. This guy has mentioned like this. If you just mention me like this, I can send you. I'm requesting once again. Many members from past few days, they are sending the invitation, but they are not messaging me. They are not messaging me. If you are unable to message, I'm telling you once again. I'm also unable to send you message. Please note this point. I'm telling you guys. Okay, so please send a message like this. If you are looking for AWS, mention AWS Fresher. If you are looking for DevOps Fresher. If you are looking for Azure Fresher, mention like this. I'm going to send you links like this. Okay, so please, I'm requesting you, please send the message. That is very important. Now let's get to the next section here. Next is from the Alphanet company. Okay, the company name itself is an Alphanet Corporation company. Okay, they are mainly hiring for the position of lead DevOps engineer. And as you can see, this is a remote job, and they have posted this job opportunity on 12th 1 2024. Okay, they have clearly mentioned about the location as well as date posted, and whatever here they have mentioned about what are the responsibilities you are going to do. Okay, they haven't mentioned about the experience and all, but this is mainly for 0 to 2 years of candidate, because if you read this responsibilities and everything, you will get to know. Here they haven't mentioned about highly experienced, or they aren't expecting anything from you. Just mentioned about you should know about manage and configuration of infrastructure using code. Okay, ISA tools such as it may be the Terraform Ansible. If you know just Terraform Ansible, you should know how to manage the infrastructure. Okay, next is troubleshoot and resolve issues related to the infrastructure deployment and system performance. You should be able to know about the deployments. Okay, and able to solve the issues. Stay current with industry trends and best practices in DevOps, automation, and cloud. Here, look at this. They have clearly mentioned you should know, you should be very good at DevOps tools and technologies, automation, that is scripting. Okay, it may be the bash scripting, Python scripting, anything. Okay, and cloud, it may be the AWS, Azure. Okay, so these are all the things which they have mentioned here. Okay, so please, how we need to apply to this is just go to this section. Okay, as you can see here, first name, last name, everything is they have given, and you need to fill this form and you need to send the resume. Okay, so this was the fifth job opening for you guys. Now let's get to the sixth one. Okay, the sixth one is from the LinkedIn. There is one person called Gala Praj. Okay, he is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer in his company. As you can see, this is mainly for the remote position. They have clearly mentioned this job in the job description itself. 1 to 3 years of experience in DevOps. Okay, AWS, Azure, GCP. Look at this, 1 to 3 years of experience. Okay, if you are having at least 1 year of experience, or if you are having 0 years of experience, it's not a problem. Because if they are hiring for 1 year of candidate, they can easily hire for 6 months candidate, 10 months candidate. There are high chance. And the only thing is you need to perform in the interview very well. Okay, that's it. What you are going to do, hands-on experience in deploying Kubernetes cluster using ELK or GKA environment. Okay, you are going to deploy the Kubernetes cluster. It may be in the Elastic. Okay, and creating CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins. You should be ready to create the CI/CD pipeline using monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana. Okay, and next is Docker automating infrastructure automation scripting. You are going to write the automation scripting for the creating the Docker infrastructure. Okay, how you need to apply is just send your CV at suprasad@codecourse.com. How you need is just send an email to this email ID. Okay, so this was the sixth one. Now the last one comes here. Okay, as you can see, there is a company called Relinin. Okay, she is the HR of this company, Priyango Attri. She is mainly hiring for the 4 positions. AIML. Leave about this. Just look at the DevOps engineer. Okay, she is mainly hiring for the DevOps engineer, and as you can see, they have clearly mentioned about hiring for freshers. She is mainly hiring for the freshers. Here she has mentioned the DevOps also. How you need to apply for this? Just scan this. Don't look at this. Okay, the link is not working. I'm telling you, you need to scan this. Okay, scan this QR code, and you can easily apply to this. Otherwise, if you want to attend the interview online, www.relenins.com. Okay, so you just need to go to this website and you need to send your resume. Okay, they will be getting back to you, HR. So these were the job openings for you guys. If you are looking for any other job openings in the upcoming days, please mention me in the comment section. I will be happy to bring you. Okay, have a good day. Bye.